Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an email pop-up sign-up to your Shopify store step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an eye-catching pop-up, ready to gather customer emails and help you grow your mailing list effortlessly. This feature is a proven way to build loyal relationships with your shoppers and boost your sales, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the command center of your online store. From here, look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. That opens up a world of customization options, but today we're focused on apps, more specifically, apps and sales channels. So take your time and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you can manage all your add-ons and enhancements. Next up, we want to find a tool specifically built for email pop-ups. Click on the Shopify App Store button. This is like walking into an enormous toolbox full of apps designed to make your store smarter and more profitable. In the search bar at the top, simply type in email pop-up. Take a moment to browse the results. You'll see quite a few options, but for today's tutorial, I'll guide you through using Privy, which is both beginner-friendly and robust. Type Privy into that search bar if you don't see it right away. Once it pops up, click on it. You'll need to agree to some installation steps and permissions. Think of this like giving Privy access to help your store communicate with your customers. Go ahead and read through those prompts, then click Get Started. Don't worry if it asks for approval or permissions. It's all standard procedure for integrating new tools with Shopify. Now, Privy will walk you through a few setup screens. After that, it's time to select the style and type of display you want for your pop-up. This is where you tailor the pop-up to fit your store's goals. Maybe you want to announce a discount, invite people to join your newsletter, or share a special offer. Choose a template that matches your purpose. There are options for different layouts, so think about what would catch your customers' eyes without interrupting their shopping experience too much. When you find the one that feels right, click Create. This step is really all about matching your brand's vibe to the pop-up's look. Now for the creative part, click Design My First Pop-up. This is where you activate your display and continue to customization. Don't rush here, really think about the message and design you want your visitors to see. You can adjust colors, change the text, and even add an image or your logo. This is your chance to make the pop-up blend seamlessly with your store's overall feel. Maybe add a friendly message like "Welcome," sign up to get exclusive offers straight to your inbox. Small touches like this can make a big difference in connecting with your customers. After you're happy with the design, click Activate and Continue. Give it another look. Sometimes what seemed great the first time could use a tiny tweak. Shopify and Privy both make it easy to come back and make changes later, so don't feel pressured to get it 100% perfect on the first try. Finally, remember to click Save. This step is crucial. Without it, all your customizations won't go live. Once you save, your pop-up is officially ready. Head over to your storefront to see it in action. Sometimes it may take a few moments to show up, so refresh the page if you don't see it immediately. And that's it. You now have a powerful email pop-up set up on your Shopify store, ready to help you build lasting connections with your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you've got questions or want to see more Shopify tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future guide. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your store.